Meet the hybrid reborn, the all-new redesigned 2023 Prius. Prius first brought hybrid vehicles to mainstream America in 2000, a pioneer in electrified powertrains. The first-gen Prius symbolizes practicality and eco-consciousness. More than 20 years later, the Prius has been reborn with distinctive design and improved performance. Prius's 3 grades, LE, XLE, and Limited, are crafted with an emotional body shape that conveys the iconic nature of the brand through refined, modern style. Interior design is clean and intuitive, featuring island architecture that is both attractive and functional. The enhanced styling of Prius is matched by our next-level driving performance and remarkable efficiency. Prius is sure to turn heads with its sharp, sleek hammerhead design in the front. Strong flaring in the back and large diameter wheels make for a strong planted stance. Unnecessary modeling elements and character lines have been removed for a simple yet iconic design. The rear view further emphasizes advanced refined styling, accentuated by a single thin line of rear combination lamps. 3 new and unique exterior colors have been added to the current offerings: Guardian Gray, Reservoir Blue, and Cutting Edge. There's no doubt Prius will stand out from the crowd. Prius is just as impressive on the inside as it is on the outside. Built on the 2nd generation GAC platform, the new Prius has a lower center of gravity with reduced weight and increased rigidity. The vehicle's wider stance and lower driving position work together to create a more seamless, more comfortable driving experience. The spacious cockpit enables easy driving focus thanks to a clean, minimalistic design and ergonomic instrument panel. Prius's intuitive layout allows the driver to comfortably view the road ahead while operating controls close at hand. Prius hits all the marks when it comes to modern simplicity, style, and convenience. Moving on to seating, buyers can choose from gradient black or light gray colors regardless of grade. Fabric-trimmed front seats with a 6-way adjustable driver's seat and a 4-way adjustable front passenger seat come standard on LE grades. XLE and Limited receive upgraded Softex trimmed heated front seats with an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, including power lumbar support and driver memory, and a 6-way adjustable front passenger seat. Limited has ventilated front seats, available heated rear seats, along with a power back door. All grades feature 60/40 split fold-down rear seats with center armrests, so drivers and passengers alike will be riding in style and comfort. A fixed glass roof is available on XLE and standard on Limited for an open view cabin feel. The Toyota hybrid system with the 2-liter engine gives the new Prius an unprecedented 194 horsepower. That's 73 more horsepower over current gen. We also see an impressive improvement of over 2 seconds in 0 to 60 acceleration. And with all-wheel drive available on all grades, the next generation Prius truly makes no compromises. On all-wheel drive models, an all-wheel drive system uses a motor to drive the rear wheels, resulting in stable acceleration and improved performance when extra traction is needed. These models are amped up with 196 horsepower and 0 to 60 time of 7 seconds. Along with the impressive power boost comes improved efficiency, thanks to a newly developed lighter lithium-ion battery that provides increased output. 3 driving modes are available on Prius: Normal, Eco, and Sport. In Eco mode, fuel economy is further enhanced through slightly suppressed drive force. Sport mode enhances throttle responsiveness by increasing the drive force in the low to mid accelerator opening. The options are limitless with Prius. It's truly a car that can fit any driver's needs and lifestyle. Prius has an impressive selection of advanced technology. The 8-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen display is standard on LE, while the 12.3-inch display is available on XLE and standard on Limited. The system allows for dual Bluetooth phone connectivity and is also compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to subscription-based services like Apple Music, as well as Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. Wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Drivers looking for even more audio enhancements will appreciate that Prius Limited features a JBL premium audio system with 8 speakers. Prius is also compatible with Toyota's available connected services, including Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Enhanced Wi-Fi Connect with integrated streaming capability, and Drive Connect, which offers cloud navigation, destination assist, and intelligent assistant functionality. Prius driver and passengers' devices will always stay charged and ready thanks to 6 USB-C ports, along with Qi wireless charging on XLE and limited grades. For 2023, the Prius lineup features Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a standard safety suite that enhances the already familiar platform to an even higher level. It includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Proactive driving assist is new to Prius and Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. When certain operating conditions are met, this feature uses the vehicle's camera and radar to provide gentle braking into curves or gentle braking and/or steering to help support driving tasks such as distance control between a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or bicycle. For convenience, Prius also includes standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Depending on the grade, advanced park and panoramic view monitor are also available. With so many all-new features and enhancements, it's easy to see why we're calling this the Hybrid Reborn. We pulled out all the stops that make this generation breathe new life into our hybrid legacy.